All right, so I'm gonna show you how to attach buttons to a knitted project. So what I have right here is actually a little project pouch. And the pouch has this flap that I want to secure close. And so I want a button here and a button here so I can take some yarn, and just kind of wrap it around to keep it closed. And it's really easy to do this. So it's as simple as just, picking your buttons, which I am gonna do, I think that one. And I'll do I'll do one of these so we can talk about two different ways to close them. Okay, so I'll do that one. So I've got a regular button that has the holes here, and then this button is one where it's secured at the back. So I'll put this button on the flap, if I can get the flap, and then I'll put this button down here. Okay, so first things first, you obviously first need to kind of figure out your placement of your buttons. So I'm gonna put that one there, kind of somewhat in the middle. And then you need some thread. So this is my thread that I picked. This is just cross-stitch thread, embroidery floss, anything like that will work. And normally, this thread comes as it's 4 strands. So you could do 4 strands, 2 strands. You just don't want to do 1 strand. You at least want to do 2 strands, which is what I have right here. Then you are going to take a straight needle. So this one is like not exactly a cross stitch needle. It's, I think, for leather work, but any kind of needle will work. You just kind of want it to be able to be threaded. That's also not a straight pin or anything like that. Okay, then you're gonna hold the button in place. Now this is the way that I do this. There's lots of different ways you can do this, but this is the way I do. So to start, I'm actually gonna come up from the inside. So I'm gonna find my first hole, and I'm gonna leave kind of a long tail. And I'm gonna go down through a second hole and pull that needle through. Then I am actually going to take the tail and my needle or the thread I just pulled through and tie a few knots to keep this in place. So I'm gonna do probably like 4 knots. Okay, so now my button is on there, but I've got 4 holes to go through. So now I'm gonna go through this next one, if I can find it. Oops. Okay, there it is. And I'll pull that through. Then I'm gonna go through that one. Pull that through. Then you could leave it like this, but I am crazy and I like it to be super secure. So I'm actually gonna go through all 4 holes one more time in the same order. So, okay, then I'm gonna go ahead and cut my thread, leaving a long tail again. So cut that. And then you can probably guess what I'm gonna do. I am going to knot this a few times. Then at this point, you can take this tail and you can trim it pretty close to the knot. And that button is on there. Does it look beautiful on the inside? No, that's okay. The button is secure and that's all that matters. So we've got our first button on. Now we need to attach our second button. And of course we want it to be lined up with our first button. So I'm gonna kind of just put it there as my placement that I'm thinking, which now that I see that, I'm not a huge fan of that. So for this one is the kind of button that's sort of like that. So we're going to line it up right about there. Okay, then I'm gonna come in from the back again. Whoops. And I'm just coming up as close to the button as I can get. It's sort of difficult to see, but I've just come up. I'm not actually in the button. I'm leaving a tail though. Now I am going through the button. I really don't need to hold it on here, so I've put the thread through the button now. And now I am gonna go back down again, not in the same place, but kind of like beside it, I guess. Okay, so now I've pulled that through, and if I go to the front, you can see now that the button is on there, kind of loose. But I'm gonna do that same thing. So now that I did before. I'm going to tie about 4. Okay, but again, I want it to be like super secure. So I'm going to, whoops, put the needle back through as close to the button as I can. These buttons, because they have like that little rocker basically on the bottom of them because of how they secure on, they are not gonna be nearly as flat as the other kind of button, and that's okay. You just kind of have to accept that they're gonna be a little more loosey-goosey, but that's okay. So now I'm going to, again, knot this about 4 times. Just to make sure, whoops, it's good. Now I can trim this. There we go. Okay, so now I've got my 2 buttons attached here. And so my last step is I just have this like extra yarn, and then I just want to like secure my project pouch shut. So I'm gonna go like that. Okay, and that is it. That is it. That is, which that looks pretty sloppy, but you get the idea. It's probably too long of a piece of yarn, but you get the idea. So that is how you can attach buttons to your project. It's really easy to do. You just need the thread, a needle, and that's it. And there you go.